Hey everyone, welcome to CompilerSutra. If you are passionate about compiler, C++, LLVM or system programming and want to contribute through writing, here is how you can get started. First, check out the readme.md file on the CompilerSutra GitHub repository, as I am going to visit on CompilerSutra GitHub repository and we have readme.file here, in which it is clearly mentioned that how to structure your article, naming conventions and where to place your file. Pick a topic from the available categories, like there are categories in this GitHub repository like C++, Linux, AI, LLVM, MLIR, GPU or DSC, and write your article in markdown format with clean formatting code snippets, examples and images if needed. Once done, create a pull request. Here is the option for creating a pull request, and the guideline to contribute, how to contribute in CompilerSutra is given in this contribution.md file. You can follow the steps and contribute to CompilerSutra. Once done, create a pull request under docs/folder or send it to team via email if you are unsure about Git. All accepted articles will be published on CompilerSutra.com.